In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a text from Starlight in PS Touch. Okay, first thing we are going to do is to import some images of sky, any images at all, provided there are stars in it. So I have this image and you can find it to download down in the description. So I'm just going to click on it and click on add. So now we have the stars in place. Now let us add our text. To add the text, you can either import it as an image, maybe you edited the text somewhere and import it, or you can come over here and type in your text. Okay, the color doesn't matter, so you can just put it right here. Oops. All right, so this is our text. Let's call it text. Then you click on done. So now to apply the effect, click right here, click on select pixels. So now you can click here, turn this layer off and create an empty layer above it. Once you are done, you click done. Now you can click right here, scroll to the top, you will see paint tool. Then the color, make it white. Done. Then the brush, click right here and you will see this starlight brush. This one, not this one, use this one. Click on it, screw this one all the way to the right and take this one all the way to the top. Okay, so you can go back here and play with the size. So let's try this one. Let's see. No, let us increase the size. Let's increase the size, maybe 30 will do. Okay, this one is fun enough. So just brush it. I'm gonna brush this side. You can experiment with the size, you can make it bigger. So let's see if we zoom out. Okay, this one is actually a thing. So let me just do this really quickly. And yeah, this is it. Very easy and cool effect. So let us deselect it. And you can do this whatever text you want. You can add any text. You can even use a PNG logo. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.